How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove your inner door trim. We're going to remove this light here, followed by this little retaining screw at the bottom of the door handle surround. And what you want to do is just keep all your nuts and bolts, everything that comes off this panel, in a little container like so, and then that way you won't lose anything as you progress with the job. So there's just 4 clips there. Just grab it at 12 and 6 o'clock, give it a squeeze, and then it pulls out very easily. What you want to do is grab a trim removal tool, get it right underneath, use your hands, and then give it a good pull, and then work your way all. Right, what I'll need to do now is just disconnect all these multi-plugs and remove the wiring harness. It's just a case of cutting the cable tie. Now the electrical cable connection was a little bit tight here, so I had to use a pick just to free it off. And now I'm just going to pull out the rubber cover. I've just got one 10mm bolt here and one Allen T30 Allen here. So you remove that cover there and that lets you into this other T30. That was deliberate, I'll get that out in a minute. Try and remember how everything goes back together. So as you can see, that goes on top of that there, so try not to forget anything like that. And the same with this here. There's 2 rubber grommets that I need to pull out, which will allow me access to the T40 bolts that hold on the window to the window regulator. Now I'm just going to pull off this rubber cover. There is two T40 Torx bolts, one at each end here with the rubber grommets wire. Now what happens there is that's holding this inner panel onto the window assembly, the window frame assembly. So we'll have to unscrew these two bolts now to remove the panel. So all I'm going to do now is just remove the glass, as you can see, from the actual frame assembly. Pull the glass out and then I'll be able to get the panel off. Now what we need to do is the bottom of the frame here, we need to try and pull it out and up and out. This will give me more access to the door handle. Then what you do is you remove the lock. I had a bit of a problem with this bolt here, so I had to drill a small hole and then put this bolt extractor in. But I managed to get it out now. And the only thing I've got to take out now is the handle. This is the door handle here, so there's an Allen bolt here and an Allen bolt right in the back in there, so we need to get them out. As you can see, there is quite a bit of work involved removing the panels and what have you. So I'll take out the bolt at the back first. Now it's just a case of pushing through the pin. So pretty much what I need to do is get this little cord here out of the mechanism. That's which pulls the lock. So once you pull that out of the mechanism there, you just pull it back. And then that allows you to remove the handle. And I've just put everything back on the handle the way it was, that way I won't forget when it's time to put it back together. And I've now got a collection of parts here, that way they won't get mixed up. That's me left with one empty door shell. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.